Meet the OnePlus Ace 5, OnePlus's latest launch, which is likely to go global as the OnePlus 13R. So, what does this phone bring to the table? Let's dive into a detailed look in today's video. If this is your first time here, or if you just can't remember, my name is AB, and you're watching TriTech AB. If you find this video interesting, helpful, or just fun to watch, don't forget to like it. And if you want early coverage of devices before their global launches, hit that subscribe button to stay updated. The OnePlus Ace 5 features Oppo's Crystal Shield glass on both the back and the display. The frame is metal and color-matched to the back. The phone is 8 mm thick, with flat sides and rounded edges for improved comfort. An alert slider on the left, a dynamic island-style selfie camera indicator, an IR blaster on top, support for NFC, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. However, the Type-C port is USB 2.0, meaning there's no video output, and the phone has an IP65 rating for dust and splash resistance. Overall, the build is solid, but the boxy design might not be the most ergonomic. If you're a fan of flat displays, you'll enjoy this phone's design. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate its build and design? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The Ace 5 sports a gorgeous 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution, 450 ppi, smooth 120 Hz refresh rate with LTPO support, 1 to 120 Hz, 10-bit color depth, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support. The display is bright, peaking at around 900 nits manually and over 1600 nits on auto, making it perfect for media consumption, especially when paired with stereo speakers. For those sensitive to OLED flicker, it offers 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming and an option for DC-like dimming. The optical fingerprint scanner is fast, but its placement feels a bit low for my liking. The OnePlus Ace 5 is equipped with a massive 415 mAh silicon-carbon battery. With the included 80W SuperVOOC charger, you can go from 0 to 55% in just 15 minutes and 100% in about 35 minutes, impressive for such a large battery. However, this could change when it launches globally as the OnePlus 13R, so we'll have to wait and see. The Ace 5 is powered by last year's flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, paired with 12GB or 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Benchmarks are as expected, but I noticed some throttling during a 20-minute stress test, with performance dropping by almost 50%. I hope OnePlus can optimize this for the global variant, especially with the switch to Oxygen OS. Games ran smoothly, thanks to options like super resolution and frame generation. It's also worth noting that the phone runs ColorOS 15, based on Android 15 in China, but the global version will ship with Oxygen OS. The OnePlus Ace 5 has a triple camera setup, but let's manage expectations here. 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide, fixed focus, 2MP macro sensor, practically useless. The primary camera performs well, producing detailed images with pleasant colors and good dynamic range. Portraits look great, and low-light performance is impressive, with excellent highlight processing and minimal noise. However, video recording is a letdown. While it can shoot 4K 60 FPS, the EIS jitter makes the footage look unstable and unusable. Even selfie videos are limited to 1080p 30 FPS and aren't great. Regular selfies, however, are detailed with natural skin tones and good edge detection. If OnePlus can address the throttling issues and EIS jitter before the global launch, this phone will offer excellent value for its price. So, what are your thoughts on the OnePlus Ace 5? Is this a phone you'd consider? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more early coverage of exciting devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.